Hi, my name is Marilee, and today I'm going to answer your question, what is millet? Millet is a collective term used for a variety of grasses producing small rounded seeds that are harvested for food. These grasses are also called the millets, and there are 5 in commercial production today: brown top, foxtail, pearl, proso, and barnyard. Although originating in Africa nearly 4,000 years ago, millet is still a crucial staple for them today. It's a hardy annual and can be grown in conditions that would kill other crops. It also grows very quickly and can be harvested within 3 months of planting, thus providing the opportunity for 2 or even 3 crops per year. Millet has a high concentration of numerous vitamins and a high volume of protein. It's also gluten-free, making it a great alternative to other grains that contain gluten, particularly for those with gluten intolerance or those who are dealing with celiac disease. Millet has a fairly mild flavor, which can be enhanced by toasting the seeds before you cook them. Strictly speaking, millet is a seed, but tends to be put into the grain category. So now you have all the information you need for the next time someone asks you, what is millet?